I'm using two different colors, black and champagne. I like this color, it's so pretty. I bought this nylon thread at Hobby Lobby. Also, I'm using this thread, but it's thinner. I insert some beads. These beads are 3 plus 4 millimeters size, and it doesn't fit in this thread because it's too thick. So you're gonna need 3 different nylon threads. I'm using 3 millimeters crochet hook. Okay, let's start. We're gonna make a magic ring. This is how I make my magic ring. Okay, into the magic ring we're gonna work 12 single crochet. One, I'm gonna put some stitch marker. 2, 3, 4, and 12 single crochet. Okay, we're gonna pull the tip or the tail because we need a small hole in the center. We need a smaller we can, like this. We want to make a slip stitch in the first stitch from the beginning. Okay, that's it. We have our first round completed. Then we're gonna work 3 single crochet in the next stitch. We're gonna work 3 single crochet. I'm gonna work directly the single crochet. I'm not working the chain one. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, put the stitch marker. Okay, 3 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, then 1 single crochet in the next, and another single crochet in the next stitch. That means 2 individuals single crochet. Sorry about the black yarn, black thread. I know this is not a good view, but I want my hearing on this color. Then 3 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, in the same space. Then two individual single crochet. 1 and 2. Then another 3 single crochet in the same stitch. Then 2 individuals again. Then 3 single crochet again. 2 and 3. And at the end, 2 individual single crochet. 1 and 2. Okay. Here we're gonna chain our color thread, and before to do the slip stitch, I'm gonna chain my color. I'm gonna cut this here because I will not use this anymore. In the first stitch from the beginning, I'm gonna insert the hook there and work a slip stitch. Okay, here we're gonna work 1 single crochet. Here we're gonna work 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. 4 individual single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 3 single crochet in the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Then 4 individual single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the pattern. You have to repeat all the way across to the end. 3 single crochet, 2, 3, 4 individuals, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 single crochet in the corner. 1, 2, and 3. This is then I'm gonna work 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna close here in the beginning with a slip stitch. I'm gonna cut this here. I'm gonna insert the hook through the first. I'm gonna pull the thread here. Like this. It's gonna look like this. And then when we finish our third round, we're gonna make some knots in the back to secure our work. cut the yarn. The same with the black one. I'm gonna burn the ends because this is nylon, so it needs to be burned. It's hot, be careful. You don't want you burn by yourself, burn yourself. Then we're gonna switch with the thinner thread. You have to insert all your beads first into the thread. You're gonna take the back, the wrong side of your earrings. Gonna insert the hook. You're gonna work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. I'm using the same crochet hook, 3 millimeters. So I'm gonna pull through and work 1 chain to secure my work. I'm gonna work my first single crochet. Okay, this is how you work with the beads. Before you close your single crochet, pull the beads and finish your single crochet. Next stitch, I want to work single crochet before complete. Pull the beads and pull through. The next, the same thing. So you want to work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. This is how it looks in the back. That's why we need to take the back of the earrings. We need work in the back. Yes, continue working like this. It's beautiful. Look at this, so beautiful. This is how it's turning out, so pretty. So continue working like that until you complete all the stitches around. Okay, then we're gonna make the tassels. Okay, we're gonna cut about 6 inches long. We're gonna cut 5 strings with your thinner thread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches. I'm gonna fold in half. Now take the back of your earrings, insert the hook, and pull through this. Then pull all the thread through the loop and repeat this until you have this like a V with tassels. I would recommend that you put some glue in each tassel because it's getting unraveling. no matter how many knots I did, it didn't ravel it. So it needs some glue. I will put some glue in each group of tassels to secure these tassels keep in place. I'm gonna cut like a V. I like this length. Then, when you have your desired length, you need to burn the tips because this is nylon. So, just burn like this, a little bit, not too much. And this is it. Look how beautiful it looks. Finally, we're gonna use two loops on the earrings. Using your tweezers, open the loops, insert through the earrings, and insert the other loop with the hook. And that's it. Repeat the same steps for the other earrings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.